Best deals.
1. Spray to clean rust. Can be used on multiple surfaces like metal, iron, chrome, wood, aluminium and more with ease either at home, office, on vehicles or any other commercial purpose. Can also be used as an active cleaning agent that removes grease and grime stains and other dirt, sticky and dust particles with ease. Repellent agent provides a protective layer to prevent damage from moisture on any exposed surface. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chimney Cleaner Spray. Quick action formula helps remove stubborn grease, oil deposits and stains and restores parts to their near original condition. It is equally effective in cleaning the outer surface of your kitchen chimney, giving it a spotless look, has 0% added parabens, EDTA, chlorine and triclosan, is human safe. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Tile Cleaner. Removes tough stains and helps remove the most stubborn cement stains, grime, oil, paint stains, grease, and cleans multi-tile surfaces at home such as kitchen, bathroom, toilet, garage, factory and other sites. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Silver Cleaning Liquid. Features a powerful formula designed to swiftly and effectively remove tarnish, oxidation, and dullness from silver surfaces. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Floor Cleaner. Non-toxic floor cleaners which are made from natural surfactants. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Toilet Cleaner Liquid. Manufactured with organic citric acid and other eco-friendly ingredients that break down harmlessly in the environment, remove hard water stains, lime scale deposits, yellow marks, rust stains and grimes easily. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Bathroom Cleaner Liquid. It's effective on tiles, floor, basin and most bathroom surfaces. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Brass and Copper Metal Cleaner. Foam instantly removes tarnish. It cleans and polishes the metal surface. This cleaning solution will restore tarnished brass and copper, leaving a polishing effect with a brilliant shine. It has a powerful cleaning agent which helps to remove oxide layer easily from metal surface and gives a new-like shine. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cockroach Killer Spray. Pleasant fresh fragrance, causing no discomfort. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Rust Remover. Multipurpose spray can be used on multiple surfaces like metal, steel, iron, chrome, wood, aluminium, and more with ease either at home, office, on vehicles or any other commercial purpose. Spray is an excellent lubricator for vehicle parts. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cleaner Spray. Fast action with quick drying formula. Kitchen cleaner leaves no mineral deposit on drying. Spray on the area to be cleaned and wait for a few minutes and then wipe with a clean cloth or scrub with sponge for desired result. Remove chimney filter. Spray the chimney cleaner, wait for a few minutes and then wipe with a clean cloth and rinse with plain water. Chlorine-free Magic Degreaser Spray made especially for commercial and domestic kitchens, food services. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dishwasher Liquid. The cleaning is safe for both surface and skin with pH-balanced formula. Advanced P3 formula penetrates the surface and cuts through the deep roots of stains and wipes it away easily without leaving any residue of either dirt or liquid. Ensures the surface clean and shine after every mopping session. Removes soap scum and hard water deposits on the hard surfaces of bathroom floors, walls, toilet, kitchen top, balcony. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Floor and Surface Cleaner. Cleans tough stains on floor and surface such as olive oil, soy sauce, mustard sauce, coffee, ketchup. It also can be used on a variety of surfaces like granite, marble, mosaic, ceramic. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Toilet Cleaner Blocks. Maintains hygiene of toilet on every flush, and offers clear blue water on every flush. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Floor Cleaner. Antibacterial disinfectant liquid cleaner has a fresh lime fragrance. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Silver Cleaning Liquid. An advanced formulation for instant deep cleaning for removal of tarnish and oxidized surface from silver and silver-plated articles, very convenient, reusable and cost-effective with anti-tarnish ingredients for long-lasting shine, produces sparkling cleaning surface without scrubbing or brushing, and it restores and rejuvenates the original look. Ideal use for silver-made dishes, cutlery, table decorations, ornaments, jewelry and puja utensils. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Copper and brass cleaner. Powered by a non-toxic and plant-powered formula, it removes tarnish, oxidation, and accumulated residues, restoring the original luster of your metal items without causing abrasion. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Iron remover for car. Can be used on multiple surfaces such as wheels and clear-coated paints for removing ferrous brake and rail dust. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Scrub cleaner. Widely used over mirrors and fittings like water taps, shower, wash basin taps, hard shower, faucet, removes, soap scum and hard water deposits on the hard surfaces of bathroom floors, walls, toilet, kitchen top, balcony, meant for the tough lime scale at home, just spray and scrub. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tile and bathroom cleaner. Hard water stains, grime, soap scum and yellow spots takes away the shine of your bathroom tiles and makes them look worn out. It wipes away oil, grease and dirt stains off your stone surfaces and granite tops without any residue, fumes or funny fragrance. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Floor cleaner pods. Leaves no sticky residue on the floors. It gives the floors a squeaky clean finish and a natural fragrance. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cleaner spray. Toxin-free and plant-based surface cleaner solution that removes tough oil, turmeric stains, grease, and grime from all kitchen surfaces. From chimneys to gas stoves, countertops to tiles, and sinks, natural kitchen cleaner leaves your kitchen fresh and spotless. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Spray polish. Advanced silicone-based polish that is truly multipurpose in nature. It can be used on leather, dashboard, plastic, rubber, tires, dashboard, vinyl, leather. It, quick and easy application with no sling and no mess. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Toilet cleaner. The advanced formulation used forms an anti-stain film over the toilet bowl and protects further formation of yellow scale formation, stubborn stains and soil depositions up to 100 flushes. Green acid formulation used enables easy cleaning without hard scrubbing. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cockroach killer. Completely odorless gel bait, causing no discomfort during and after application. Product link is given in the 25th link. Thanks for watching.